Hey guys, Yue here. So today I will be doing one of those unboxing videos. So I've never done one before, but I think it's time. So I ordered some stuff from Wayside Gardens, and it's a combination of annuals for containers in a shady location. So I'm actually going to be using this combination for one of my clients. I ordered 3 orders of the same thing, and they are called Charleston Classic Combination. So if you go to waysidegardens.com, you can type in Charleston Classic Combination, and it's all prepackaged. Each package contains 6 plants, and I'm about to open one right now. Okay, here we go. My dog is very curious about the package, so let's open it. Just move this right here. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So according to the description, there is a begonia, and this one is white begonia. I think this is a baby wing white, and I could see that they topped the plant, and as you can see, they put it in a plastic bag. There is a tag in each bag. It's not like in the best shape, but I guess if you squish things in the box, you know, they won't look that great. So there's one. Here's the second plant. This one is looking really good. Some type of fern. There is no label, and I believe this is a substitution for, in the photograph they have Boston fern. So I think this one looks like Pteris fern. I will flash the name on the screen for you, but it's very pretty. Oh my gosh, look at this color on this plant. Again, kind of floppy. This is broken, so that's a problem. But so this is a purple heart plant. Really beautiful purple color. So it's looking good. I think it's gonna fill in. I know from a personal experience, this is a hardy plant, so it will fill in just nicely. But yeah, the condition is not that great, as you can see right here. All right, on to the next one. All right, so another begonia right here. And another plain for you as per usual. Oh my gosh, look at this Caladium. So this one is called Florida Moonlight. Oh my gosh, I love the leaves on this. So I think the idea is to have this contrast of these 2 plants. I mean, look at this. It's gonna be gorgeous. And the last plant in this package, this is a Pothos, and this one is Neon. See, like super bright green. I think it's more like lime green. Again, there's a couple of dead leaves, but I mean, it's okay, it will grow in. So what else is in this package? This just describes what I received in here, and that's about it. There we go. Okay, so I opened the other 2 packages, and it had pretty much the same thing. The condition of the plants, you know, they were squished in the boxes, so they look somewhat broken and damaged, but I think they're gonna fill in just fine. I love the combo. The dark purple heart with this beautiful white caladium is just so pretty. So I have to get them in the ground, and I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching. Bye.